National Database for Emergency Management is a state-of-the-art infrastructure established by Indian Space Research Organisation at National Remote Sensing Centre, Hyderabad. NDEM is a unique geoportal, providing space-based inputs in near real time during disasters at national level. Consisting of multi-scale geospatial database and decision support system tools to aid nodal ministries and departments in decision-making. Keeping pace with the technological advancements and user requirements, NDEM version 5.0 has been developed by NRSC under DMS program of ISRO. The main objective of this version is to synergize the disaster services of all forecasting organizations onto a single platform to depict the current-day pan-India disaster scenario. Real-time news alerts are geotagged onto the map. Cyclone, nowcast warnings and weather alerts from Indian Meteorological Department. 7-day flood forecast and water level information of Central Water Commission. Ocean-related services from Indian National Centre for Ocean Information Services. Avalanche alerts by Defence Geoinformatics Research Establishment and earthquake locations from National Centre for Seismology. Active forest fire locations. Near real-time flood maps. Spatial flood early warning of Godavari, Tapi river basins. Pan-India runoff and landslide early warnings services generated by NRSC. The services are categorized under response phase, early warning phase and mitigation phase. These maps are prepared in bilingual, in accordance with state regional language, and entire portal is available in English, Hindi, Telugu, Tamil, Bangla, and Malayalam. Decision support system tools such as evacuation plan, proximity analysis and advanced route plan, which fetches route by avoiding barriers. NDEM also equipped with incident reporting mechanism. Post-disaster needs assessment tools. Resource management tools, India Disaster Resource Network tool, and mobile apps for relief management and geotagging the essential facilities. NDEM will act as a disaster recovery site and data provider node for integrated control room for emergency response, being established at MHA, New Delhi. For more information, visit www.ndem.nrsc.gov.in.